What is up, guys, and welcome to today's video. So in today's video we're going to be doing a little bit of like kind of a room makeover, because lately whenever I've been coming into my room I just feel sort of like triggered, I guess. Not like in a bad way, but I just feel kind of like annoyed because I'm like, my room is not cool and it kind of smells weird, and yeah, and it's always messy. Not always, but lately it has been for like the past week, and I forgot to clean it yesterday. So that's what we're going to be doing in today's video, and hopefully we can spice her up a little bit, make her look a little snazzy. So here is the current situation, and I did not clean any of this because I wanted you to get the real deal. And there's them. You already know about them. There's stuff, and yeah. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's go. Okay, I know the sliding is bad, but it's fine. First things first, we need to make the bed, because I feel like that just kind of changes your mood and it makes everything look more put together. Well, I don't have any clean right now, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the sheets off, and then we're gonna put them in the laundry and wash them, and then I'll have to put them back on before I go to bed tonight. Alright, so the bed, it didn't really make much of a difference right now because it's not, you know, actually like made, because, you know, the sheets are in the laundry. But I think next, I know we're diving a little deep for how early in we are, but we need to do this drawer. Okay, do you really want to see what's in this drawer? Okay. It's not a good situation. It's my one and only junk drawer, which I guess it's a good thing I only have one, but it really needs some help. Oh, and it doesn't want to close right now. So we're going to clean that out, because I know there's a lot of stuff that I need to get rid of. Alright, we have this drawer done. It's not like completely organized, but it definitely has a lot less stuff in it than before. So now I think we're going to move on to this one. Okay, so now this is all cleaned out and stuff, so I'm going to dust it because you can't see from here, but it's really dusty. Alright, so all I have here is my sunglasses because I don't know where else to put them. But now I'm going to move on to this one. This one I have like not cleaned out in a long time. This one, sorry, the dusting is here, but this one I keep like pretty organized and stuff. But this one is going to be fun. Look at this outside. It doesn't even look that bad, but it's like the storm monster's coming. Wow. Okay, well, it doesn't look that cool from here, but it's getting intense. Okay, so here's this shelf. I only have these two things there, but that's good because I have definitely run out of room for books on this shelf, so I can start putting them here. I think this shelf is good. I don't think I need to do anything with it. I should dust this shelf though, and then I think this shelf will be good too, so I'll have to see what I'm gonna do next. Okay, so I think next we're going to do this drawer because it's, yeah, you can already tell it's just a little discombobulated, so we're going to work on that. Alright, so now this drawer is done. This is the trash and this is the stuff that's going somewhere else. But I think it looks pretty good. I organized it recently. I used to have so much stuff in here, but now I don't have as much. And before you make fun of me for having stuffed animals, these are from Disney World and this one is from Utah. Okay, so just don't say anything. I'm never getting rid of them. Okay, and this one, she flips. Okay, one side is Elsa I can't do it all like that, but one side is Anna. Okay, how stinking cool is that? Okay, next we're going to tackle this. These are clothes that one of our friends gave me, and so I'm not keeping that stuff, but I am keeping this stuff. I just need to put it all in my drawers and stuff. Okay, so I think that's all I'm going to do for today, but I will probably be back tomorrow or something. I, finished up with the clothes, and I have that there, so I need to do something with that. I'll need to do something with this, and I have to put all that stuff away today, but I also want to look on Pinterest because I know that they have some things that they're like how to make your room look cuter, like easy ways and stuff. So, yes, I'll probably see you guys tomorrow, something like that. Okay, everybody, we're back again for round 2. It's now Saturday, which is just, yesterday was Friday. And last night, I didn't have my sheets on my bed because I forgot to put them in the dryer until, I went to bed. I was getting ready for bed, and I was like, I forgot to put my sheets in the dryer, so then I went and put them in the dryer. And I slept with no sheets. So, that's fine. But now, that's what I'm going to do now, since they're dry now. So, I just made my bed, as you could probably tell, and I'm already hungry. Are we surprised? I'm not, but you guys might be. So, I'm gonna go have lunch, and then I'll return later. Okay, so it is much later now, but I am actually going to start doing stuff now, so I think I'm going to clean out my desk. So we're done with the desk. I'm pretty happy with how it looks. It's a small desk in the first place, and then once you have stuff that like comes past these things, then it just like makes it look like there's no space there. And I also have to have this there because, as you can tell, there's like no room for anywhere else. I would love to put it on like one of these shelves. I haven't tried these shelves yet. They might be a little taller than these, but these are just too small, so they're not tall enough. So then this just kind of sits here. But I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do next. I'll probably get rid of some of these shoe boxes because I don't need them. Okay, we got rid of the shoe boxes, and now I'm going to try my best to dust up there and see if I can reach. Okay, so I did dust this and that, but I think while I'm at it, I'm just gonna go ahead and dust this part. So we have dusted, and oh, what I need to do now, right there, that lower shelf, that one, I did a thing where you like put your hangers in a certain way at the beginning of the year, and then by like the 6-month mark, whatever hangers aren't in that way, because you put them in a different way after you wear them, then you like get rid of them. It's kind of confusing, but I'm going to take out the clothes that I did not wear. Alright, so we're done with the clothes, but that means we have more clothes to do something with, just like, you know, those. But I do have a lot of extra hangers, so that's nice. I think I'm going to move on to this section. I don't even know what I'm going to do with this section. It used to be a lot worse, and I kind of cleaned it out, but then it's just accumulated more stuff over time. So, you know, wish me luck, friends. Okay, so we have that area over there done. Oh yeah, now I remember what I was gonna say. But I need to dust because, yeah, you can see it's nice and dusty, and also on top of these picture frames it's pretty dusty too, so I'm gonna see if I can dust up there. Okay, so I did a little bit of cleaning up because I was just getting a little annoyed because it looked so messy on my bed. I also got rid of that picture that was there in the middle, so I'm not sure what we're going to do with that. I know I really should go under my bed, but I really don't want to. So maybe we'll just not do that, or save that for another day. But we mostly have done all the cleaning out, my friends. Oh yeah, also there's my door. Yeah, now I just have to pick all this stuff up. And then tomorrow, maybe we'll like start. I want to paint some wall art stuff, so then maybe we can put it on there and start with the decor. I'm not going to do anything for up there because I don't need to clean it out or anything.